Sit the printer on the shelf so that the printer slot is adjoining the photocatcher on the outside. Take the black 3-pin kettle lead and plug this in underneath the fan of the printer. Flick the switch next to the plug to turn the printer on. Place your PC tower on top of the printer and insert the black 3-pin kettle lead into the bottom. Take the blue VGA cable, which has 2 screws either side, and insert this into the VGA port. You will need to screw either side to secure it in place. Connect the printer to the computer using the smaller blue cable. The smaller end plugs into the top left corner of the printer, and the USB end can be plugged into any of the 3 USB ports. Plug in the antenna into the back of the computer using any of the USB ports. Set up the camera. Flick open the battery latch at the bottom of the camera. Insert the cable battery, making sure the metal plates are the same side as the metal springs in the camera. Place the cable to the side so you can close the latch. Flick the metal rod towards you to loosen the camera stand, then lever the grey switch to eject the camera screw base. This screws into the camera by twisting the metal latch. Make sure the grey plastic has the thicker edge to the left-hand side of the camera whilst upside down. This can now clip into place. Secure it with the metal rod. Plug in the camera. The larger rectangular USB end plugs into one of the USB ports on the computer. The mini USB end goes into the back of the camera. Plug in your speakers. This rod-shaped cable goes into the green hole in your tower PC. Plug in your LED light. Slide it over the metal screw, then tighten it with the plastic screw. The power will need to be pushed through the hole in the top of the mirror and plugged in to the voltage. Switch on to power on. Let's turn everything on. Insert the power into the wall and switch on. Then use the black small kettle lead to plug into the mirror. Press the switch to turn everything on. Everything should now be lit to indicate it's turned on. Press the power button on your PC to turn the computer on. Use the remote control and point at the top left corner of the TV screen. Press the red power on button to turn on.